Hello everyone, I'm Tithi Agrawal and I am a solutions engineer here at Athena Intelligence. We are building an artificial employee named Athena and an AI native analytical platform called Olympus, which is purposely built for our enterprises in the Fortune 500. In a dynamic world where speed to market for an enterprise is more important now than ever, we thought there's no better example than a Formula One racing. In this world, the ability to swiftly analyze and act upon data is becoming more crucial. Like more enterprises, Formula One data lives across test systems. With Olympus, we can bring all that data together for Athena to begin and act upon that data. This will all be securely deployed on your private cloud. So let's see, here is all the types of data that we have. As we can see, there are a lot of sheets, a lot of reports, presentations, videos, images, and all types of data under the umbrella. The demonstration which we are going to focus on today will cater to like one aspect in Formula One racing, which is the race strategy. That decides a lot of key features like track positioning, pit stops, lap times, and grid positions as well. So we have already connected Olympus to the race data feeds, but let's see if we have some last minute data to upload. Here, as we can see, we have a lot of data already, but let me just get in the latest files of the 2024 race and let's upload all the data. So anytime we upload data into the Olympus platform, we also embed them in the backend, so we can see that a lot of them had those loading symbols and they were not synced. But as in when there's a green symbol right here, that means that the documents have been synced, and we have a summary of all the documents once they are synced, which tells us what Athena thinks that the document contains. So let's go to our folder and see what we can do with this data. Let's ask Athena if she has any advice for us to analyze the data in ways. So we can click on chat and go to the suggest analysis button, which will allow Athena to go through all the documents in this folder and suggest any questions that can be answered on the basis of these files, or detailed analysis that can be done based on these files. As you can see, Athena is fetching 18 documents now, and she'll soon tell us what all we can do with the documents present in this document. It's generating a few graphs as well. So as we can see, it generated a few questions of what all these documents can answer, then detailed analysis about performance analysis, race analysis, and fastest laps and pit stops. This looks good. Let's use this one and use the same data here in the notebooks, which is another feature, can be accessible from notebooks right here under applications. And as we can see, we already have a folder F1 race strategy analysis with all the files loaded, and we have pit stops versus laps graph ready here. As we can see, these are all the graphical representations of how generally most of the teams took a lot of pit stops in the first one, like 1 to 5 laps, maybe because they wanted to change tires after judging the track conditions and everything. Similarly, we have grid positioning versus final positioning in a graph here, which tells us that there's a positive correlation for this. So as we can see, we have a preliminary analysis in front of us. I would definitely want to automate this for my next race, as there's going to be a lot of races now and then, and I don't want to do this all the time. So let's go to another feature and develop a basic workflow which will give us the description for all these graphs as theory, textual data that will basically intake all the data that's here and pass it through the flow to analyze whatever Athena can analyze, and then Athena successfully sends an email report to the entire team with whatever inference that Athena has for us. So as she can tell us here that there are a lot of mid-grid challenges that we should keep in mind, then a lot of lower grid position struggles or advantages for the higher grid, etc. And here's how we can leverage the tools that Athena provides for very fast and automated tasks for any enterprise. And the workflow that we just saw in our automation interface allows all the teams to boost their analysis process in order to generate race strategy analysis. Both the features that were demonstrated here are reusable, hence the teams can leverage these tools for future races without any need for extensive reconfiguration. Thanks everyone.